Where am I going? I don't know. But I'm gonna have new luggage. It's gonna. Okay. I'm going. Ooh, the zipper all around. The zipper all around. I'm excited about it. I got 3 luggages. Let's open it. The gram got me. I was influenced. It's here. My package is here. This is the biggest package I have opened. I haven't opened it. I have ordered, and I got it from Instagram. Probably because it's my suitcases. There are 3 suitcases in here. Let's open it. Have you ever ordered anything on Instagram? This is my first time, so we'll see how this goes. I hope all 3 are in here. Yep, 3-piece luggage. I love CALPAK. So far, I've only gotten a backpack from them. Ooh, yeah. And I was waiting for this. It's time for some new luggage. Where am I going? I don't know. But I'm gonna have new luggage. Okay. This is heavy. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This luggage is this. I got the large luggage, the medium luggage, and the carry-on. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited. So this is the big one. And I was gonna get like a brownish, tannish color, but to go with my backpack, let me show you my backpack. Because this is my CALPAK backpack. And I was like, oh, I should get luggage the same color. But the way TSA or whatever they're called that takes care of suitcases, all my friends who have light colored luggage these days, it's gotten all scratches all over it. So I decided not to get the suitcase this color. But that's my CALPAK backpack that I'm obsessed with. So this is a large. This isn't sponsored, so I'm not going to give you details on the specs because I ain't getting paid. I'm just sharing. Okay. I like this. Ooh. Because it has a little code thing. So you can lock it up. Okay. Ooh, the zipper all around. The zipper all around. Can you see this? I guess I'm a germaphobe, but this is clean, so I can put this on the couch. Okay. Unzip it. Oh, snap. The zipper goes all the way. Usually it's on one side. Okay, there we go. So this is the large. Yes. Oh! There's 2 more inside. Oh, nice. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. Bam, bam. It's very lightweight, but sturdy. Okay. She cute. Whoa. I'll zip that up in a second. Okay. This is the large. Now this medium. This is slightly too big to be a carry-on, I think. Because it's... I think carry-ons have to be... This is 24 inches, and I think carry-ons have to be 18 to 22. But we'll see. Will I try to use it as a carry-on? Yes, I will. If it's all the suitcases I have that are bigger than a carry-on, like slightly by 2 inches, I use them when I'm like driving somewhere. So if I go to LA and stuff like that. Oh, snap. There's a little lock thing. Shut up. So you can't even unzip it without the lock. Oh, no. Tell me there's not a code on this. Oh, 000. Okay. 000, open sesame. Is it a button? Oh, no. It's on 000. Slide open. Oh, okay. So, how to open, you have to put in your code. Right now it's set for 000. And I'm just gonna, and then the zippers are off. So it's, the zippers are unlocked. I'm obsessed. And I love that it doesn't have a key. I love that it doesn't have a key, that it's numbers. Because ain't nobody got time to keep a key somewhere. We can barely keep our car key. Okay. Nice. And then there's a little one inside. So, this is what it looks like inside. I like this texture. Isn't it nice? It's so cute. Okay. So that's inside. Super simple. Basic. Basic and simple. Alright, that's 2. And now 3. How am I doing on time? I've been meeting in 10 minutes. Okay, cool. So this is the carry-on. Ooh, this is little. Ooh, this is a baby. How many inches is this? What are the dimensions? This is 13 by 20. So 20, I think, is a bit as big as you can get, depending on the airline. Some will let you do 22. Ooh, this is a little baby. But honestly, let's see what the inside looks like. Once again, the lock is on 000. And I'm just gonna, bam! This is so cute. Ah! And then that's it. Ooh, why does it smell good? It smells new. New car smell. New bag smell. Super cute. Has the zippers. Ooh, it has a zipper. And then another zipper. And then another bigger zipper. Okay. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. Okay. Well, those are my 3 suitcases, and I got them on sale. I got all 3 for a total of like $400. So it's basically like $100, 100 and some change per bag. 100 and something per bag. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Now, trust me, I did think about getting, I'm not going to, well, this isn't sponsored. I can name any other luggages. I was thinking about getting that. It's called Beis, whatever it's called. But you know what? I went to go actually buy luggage from them. It's just, it's giving me overpriced. It's giving overpriced. And this is giving, it's so cute. And it's expensive, but not disgustingly expensive. So, large, medium, and small. So this is the difference. 20 inches, 24 in height. I like it. What is the inches on this one? Just so I can be nosy for myself. And 29. Okay. This is giving very much, let's go to Europe. Ooh, I wonder how these stack on each other. So if you're traveling, that one. I wonder if they're stackable. How do people be stacking them? I wonder. Honestly, you can stack it like that. The big one and the 2 small ones. Where's she going? Nobody knows. Neither does she. That's it. I just wanted to share with you my new luggage from CALPAK. And I'm obsessed. If they ever want to sponsor me, and I'll give a more detailed video, let me know, because I have their backpack, and I have their luggages. You guys want to see the backpack? We have to manifest. Manifest. The next time I have all 3 of these, I'm actually going somewhere. My CALPAK backpack and luggage. It's so cute, isn't it? I love it. And this is my first time getting, you know, the plastic kind, because I usually get material kind, but I can dig it. Thumbnail. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Ba-dum-bum. And this is my luggage over here. So this is the big one. all around. And that's the little code, and they tell you how to, and when it's like that, you just pop it up and the zippers come off. But moving on. That's the big one. This is the medium one next to each other. And this, and there's the smaller one. So that's 29 inches in height, 24 inches in height, 20 inches in height. Oh my gosh, so cute. My little luggage.